Hi, and welcome to this short video on creating your first download form in Manceppo. Creating a download form has 3 steps. Step 1 is to configure a downloadable asset in Manceppo. Step 2 is to configure some settings for your download form. And step 3 is to create your form in WordPress. Let's go to step 1, configuring a download in Manceppo. In Manceppo, go to Content and then to Downloads. Here you will see an overview of your downloadable assets. To create a new download, hit the button New Content. On this page you can create a new downloadable content asset. There are multiple fields and you need to provide at least a title and upload a document. Other fields are optional and can help you in a later stage. As I go back to the download overview in this pre-configured account, we can see an example of the downloadable ebook on the Manceppo website. This screen shows a failed download page. Now let's go to step 2, configuring form settings for the forms you will use in WordPress. In your Manceppo account, go to Conversion, then Forms, and then for WordPress Form Settings. To add a new settings, hit the button Add Form Settings. To publish forms, the following settings need to be filled. A title of the form settings, so you can select these settings in your Manceppo plugin in WordPress. A thank you text that will appear after submission of the form. The following settings are optional. A description of the form. This can help you as your selection of forms will grow over time. You can also select MailChimp audiences to automatically add newsletter opt-in checkboxes to your form. After completing the form settings, you can customize the email that will be sent to deliver the download to the person submitting the form. Now let's take a look at an example of a failed form settings page. Notice how the download email text will appear in an actual email. You can either use a default sender email that Manceppo will use to send download emails to people that submit a download form, or add a custom email address. The default sender email is based on your account name. To add your custom email, please check out the separate instruction for this option. Now let's go to the final step, creating forms in WordPress. Let's log into your WordPress website and go to the Manceppo plugin that you installed earlier. Just go to Manceppo and then add new form. First, give your new form a name and then select the form settings you want to use, which you created in Manceppo, and add the download you want to add. Choose the fields you want to add to your form and add a text to the button label. This text will appear in your download button. And you can also add a color to the button. This will be the color of your button. Leave it blank to use the default settings of your theme. You can also choose to show the complete form or only the download button. In this case, the complete form will only show when your visitor clicks the download button. Check Show Form Opened to show the complete form. You can add reCAPTCHA to avoid spam. For this option, you need to register your domain for reCAPTCHA version 3 at Google. Now save your form and you can use it on any page. Your form shortcode will make it easy to publish it. Let's see how that works next. You can copy the shortcode of your form and paste it anywhere in your content. When you work with a traditional WordPress rich text editor, you will notice that the Manceppo icon is added to the options of the ribbon. When you use the Manceppo icon in your ribbon, you can easily add the shortcode of the form you would like to publish to your text. When you use the Gutenberg editor, you can add the shortcode with the shortcode editor as shown here. After adding the shortcode to your page and saving your page, check it out on your live website. That's it, and good luck with your landing page.